Hey guys, welcome to the video 7S26 Simon. Today we're going to take a look at Newsforge. This is the official write-up. This is the way this lab was intended to be solved. How do I know? Because this is my lab. This is one I put together, and Leylin has kindly hosted this one on WebVerse. So I'm going to show you how to solve this one. The first thing to do would be to create a username. We don't have one yet, so let's open a new tab and go ahead, create an account. Let's go back to the previous tab, hit sign in, and you'll see that we have indeed been signed in, and you'll see right next to the username that you created, there's an option to do a site search. So let's click here and let's just type in news, hit search, and whatever you've searched for in this response here, whatever you've searched for here in the response, it will come back and it will say that it was not found, most likely. And that's because what is actually happening here is it's trying to use your query as part of a command line execution. So you see where this is going. We might have command execution. If we try an ls command, we hit search, we get a bunch of information back. So the thing to do would be to do an ls public, and you can see there is a notes.txt file. So if we do a /notes.txt, let's do cat. And what it says here, this is the important line. It says, this is a letter, by the way, a text file to the developer, some developer notes. And it says that there should be a role check to the /edit route. Any logged in user can edit articles. Is it a security flaw? So with this information, what we can do is we can go back to the new stories and we can select any of the stories. And if we append the word edit, /edit to the end of the article, you'll see that it opens up a brand new page, a new page in which we can actually edit the article. So let's say, for example, we can add something that says this will cost the council let's make it $10 million. We can hit save, and there you have it, guys. We've managed to edit the story. We've managed to get the flag just with your any standard account. We don't need admin. We don't need to do any privilege escalation as such. We've basically found, due to the developer's notes, a way in which we can edit any news story on the site. And then if you go back to look at the news story, you'll see your edit has been successfully entered. And this was based on a real vulnerability. This was based on a real Yahoo vulnerability in the 90s. And this is what the attacker was able to do. They were able to log in and change bits and pieces of the story. And of course, as someone reading it, you would think it's part of the story. You would believe that that's real. It says by Maria Chan. But as we all know, we as the attacker, we did that. And if we log out, we can see that that remains even after we've logged out as well. So thank you for following this one, guys. Really, really hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.